Welcome to my guide on the best blender for dosa batter in the USA. After consulting with some of my Indian friends, I've managed to pick 5 excellent blenders for dosa batter that work in the USA. We considered the blade strength, the motor power, and also the jar's capacity. You'll find the links to each of the dosa batter blenders mentioned in the description bowl below. If you're eyeing a quick and easy way to whip up dosa batter, this compact Nutribullet blender could be your new countertop comrade. Finding the right tool for making dosa batter can be as important as the recipe itself. Fortunately, the Nutribullet Personal Blender is designed to handle both smoothies and dosa batter preparation. The 600-watt motor pairs with sharp blades to cut through basic fruits and vegetables, which means your dosa batter should reach a pleasing consistency. Your morning routine could become smoother with this blender. Just plug it in, push and twist, and your dosa batter is practically done. Plus, with its easy-to-clean parts, you won't be spending ages scrubbing or disassembling. While it's great for small jobs, if you're planning on feeding a dosa-loving crowd or need to crush ice and harden ingredients regularly, this might not be the powerhouse you're looking for. But for quick, everyday use and those with space saving in mind, it's a handy kitchen ally. Up next is the Oster Pro 1200, which earns the 4th spot on my list thanks to its powerful motor and sturdy glass jar. Creating the perfect dosa batter requires a blender that can handle a variety of ingredients with precision. The Oster Pro 1200 offers smart settings, including pre-programmed options that take the guesswork out of the process. For those who appreciate a bit of tech in their appliances, this feature simplifies the blending experience considerably. Also, in your culinary ventures, power is crucial. With a requirement that in mind, this blender boasts a robust 1200-watt motor that can turn the toughest of ingredients into the silkiest batters and mixtures. And its ice-crushing prowess shows that it's not just about the soft stuff. The Oster Pro 1200 is built to be versatile. Let's not forget about maintenance. The 6-cup Boro-class glass jar included with this blender is not only sturdy enough to survive the occasional thermal shock, but it's also dishwasher safe. Cleanup is often a hassle with kitchen appliances, but here it's swift and uncomplicated, leaving you more time to enjoy your Indian kitchen creations. However, with all its blending power, the Oster Pro 1200 can be quite the noisemaker. If you're sensitive to loud sounds or live in a space where noise is an issue, this might be a consideration. Additionally, while it normally handles frozen ingredients well, overloading it with too many at once may slow it down. Moving on to the 3rd best dosa batter blender, we have the Vitamix E310 Explorian. If you're keen on crafting the perfect dosa batter with ease, the Vitamix E310 is your countertop companion. Your search for a blender that tackles dosa batter with finesse may very well end with the Vitamix E310. It's a hardy machine with a motor that won't flinch at the densest of mixes, ideal for those perfect crepe-like dosas. Its build promises longevity, saving you from the cycle of frequent replacements. The Vitamix's speed variation gives you complete control over the batter's consistency, a crucial feature for achieving that coveted balance between fluffy and crispy. Also, you can say goodbye to batter-laden hands from cleaning sticky residues, a little soap and water, and this blender cleans itself. However, while it's a wizard at blending, the Vitamix E310 Explorian might tug at your wallet more than other models. Consider it an investment towards countless breakfasts, brunches, and all the delectable dosas in between. It's also not whisper quiet, so if you're an early riser, you might be blending to the beat of its assertive hum. Its size ensures stability, but also means it will demand its own rightful place on your counter or cabinet. Taking 2nd place on my best blender for Idli batter list is the Blendtec Classic, which is ideal for making Idli batter and dosa batter. If you're on the lookout for a blender that tackles dosa batter as skillfully as it does smoothies and soups, this Blendtec might just be your countertop hero. Finding the perfect blend of quality and functionality can be quite the task when scouting for an Indian kitchen companion that will cater to your dosa batter needs. The Blendtec Classic 575 presents itself as a robust candidate, boasting a 90-ounce volume jar and a thick stainless steel blade to add a dash of ease to your culinary creations. For dedicated dosa enthusiasts, the promise of effortlessly smooth batter is alluring. This blender's robust motor thrives under pressure, ensuring your batter reaches the ideal consistency. And when you're done crafting the perfect dosa mix, the self-cleaning attribute is a huge advantage, making the post-preparation cleanup as uncomplicated as pushing a button. However, excellence sometimes comes with a price, both figuratively and literally. This model might stretch your budget more than others. Additionally, when it's running at full tilt, it may momentarily rival the decibel levels of your morning alarm, which is worth considering if a peaceful kitchen is your sanctuary. Lastly, if counter space is prime real estate in your kitchen, ensure you're ready to allot a sizable chunk to this appliance's residency. In summary, the Blendtec Classic 575 is the toolbox of versatility your kitchen deserves. While the cost and noise are factors to ponder over, the ease and quality of batter produced might just be worth the symphony of sound and the investment. So, what is the best blender for a dosa batter in the USA? If you're aiming for the perfect dosa batter and idli batter and love culinary adventures, this Vitamix Pro 750 could be your kitchen's new star. Crafting dosa batter requires precision, and the Vitamix Pro 750 delivers with its 10-setting variable speed control, effortlessly transitioning from a coarse mix to the finest puree. Automated settings mean your kitchen skills can extend beyond dosas without guesswork. Smoothies, hot soups, and more are at your fingertips. Cleanup can deter many from culinary pursuits, but the self-cleaning function simplifies it to merely soap, water, and a swift blend. Plus, no hassle of disassembling, ensuring that this chore won't ruin the joy of cooking. Investing in a high-quality blender like the Vitamix Pro 750 ensures a blend of durability and functionality. While the price tag is considerable, it symbolizes an investment in your culinary passion. It's a kitchen companion designed to encourage your exploration of textures and flavors, making it a worthwhile purchase for the passionate home chef. So, those are the best blenders for dosa batter on the US market today. You can't go wrong with any of these dosa batter blenders, but depending on your budget and preferences, you'll probably have a couple of standout picks for your favorite product. Let me know in the comments which blender is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and have fun with your dosa batter blender.